wasn't enough, so to hell with it. It's freeing in a way to know so definitively where I stand, where you stand, to know for certain what I have to do to protect you. And just like that, everything clicks into place. My feet runners high. It is pretty great. I wonder if Rita's looking at this same moment. I like that. Connected by light. The dark passenger's been fighting against him, trying to keep me all to himself. But it's my turn now to get what I want. To embrace my family. And maybe one day not so long from now, I'll be rid of the dark passenger. You told me I was crazy for even thinking it. If we don't have trust, we have nothing.